Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a Nicka K Sugar Coat eyeshadow palette. It's this palette right here. This is how the palette is looking. I'm going to hold it for you guys so you guys can get a clear view. Once again, this is the Sugar Coat by Nicka K. You can purchase this at your local beauty supply store. This one costed $5.99 at my beauty supply store. So if you want to see how my look is going to turn out, keep on watching. And also, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit that bell. Yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay, so I have my eyes base with the P. Louise base in 0.5. And as you can see, my makeup is already done. So we're basically just going to be doing eyes. So the shade I want to go in with is going to be this pink shade right here. And all I'm going to do is just pack it like right here in this eye area. Alright, so I finished packing the color on both of my eyes. And next I think I'm going to go in with, I think I want to try this shade right here. And I'm going to go in with like a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to kind of pat it because I don't want it to take over the pink. Okay. I don't see any harsh lines. Nice. Next, I'm going to go in and cut my crease because I think it's time. Alright, so I'm finished with my cut crease. I am now going to go in with these shades, and they're quite odd, but I'm feeling them, y'all. So I think I want to go in with this one, and this one. I'm not sure of the order yet, but I will have the palette probably right here or right here and letting you guys know what color I did decide to go with in order.
Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. Shorty, drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better.
Alright y'all, so I'm back. I put on some lashes. Where did I get these lashes from? These are from the beauty supply store. These are the Cherry Blossom. I have them in the style 707. And these were only, I think, $2. And like what? Yeah, and these are 25M lashes too, by the way. So next I'm gonna go in and do my under eye. I'm gonna do that Shame Bright Pink. Almost messed that word up. Yes, bright pink under my under eyes. I kind of stopped doing my under eyes for a while because to me I felt like it was like, my look looked more youthful without the under eye. My lighting looks off today, but it is storming outside and it is night, so hopefully this lighting is good. So I'm going to go in with my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I'm not going to add no liner at the bottom. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite signature combo. Alright, so I tried to get it as light as possible, but it just still seemed dark, but okay. All right, so this is the final look. Cute. I like how this palette turned out. Like, no cons at all. $5.99. Great. So that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a happy Sunday. Yeah, 2 videos in 1 day. Okay, that's good. So I see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.